Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Mary.
Hi, Mary. I'm Tom. How are you today?
I'm great, Tom. I'm very excited because today we will talk about something really fun.
Oh, yes. I like fun topics. What is it about, Mary?
Today we will talk about our dream jobs. Everyone has a dream job, right?
Yes. A dream job is a job that makes you happy. It is a job you love to do every day.
Exactly. My dream job is to be a teacher.
A teacher. That is wonderful. Why do you want to be a teacher, Mary?
I love helping people. I love to teach children. I want to share knowledge.
That is very nice. Teaching is very important. Teachers help students learn and grow.
Yes, teachers guide students. They give advice. They inspire students.
I like your choice, Mary. Teaching is not easy, but it is very rewarding.
Thank you, Tom. What about you? What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
A pilot. That sounds exciting. Why do you want to be a pilot?
I love to travel. I love the sky. I want to see the world.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Flying a plane is really cool.
Yes, and I like to meet new people. I like adventure.
Dream jobs make people happy. They make life fun. Do you remember your childhood dream?
Yes, when I was a child, I wanted to be a firefighter.
Oh, really? That is very brave.
Yes, I liked helping people. I liked to save people from fire. But my dream changed when I saw planes.
That is interesting. Childhood dreams can change, right?
Yes, Mary. And you, what was your childhood dream?
When I was a child, I wanted to be a doctor.
A doctor. That is a very good job. Why did you want to be a doctor?
I wanted to help sick people. I wanted to make people healthy.
That is very kind. Why did you change to teaching?
I realized I love teaching more. I like helping children to learn and grow.
That is wonderful. Dreams can change, but the heart stays the same.
Yes, the important thing is to follow your heart.
I agree. Childhood dreams teach us what we love.
Let's talk about skills. What skills do we need for our dream jobs?
Yes, a teacher needs patience and love for children.
Yes, and a teacher needs to explain clearly.
A teacher also needs to listen carefully. Students have different questions.
Exactly. And a teacher needs creativity. Sometimes students learn with fun activities.
Yes. Now my turn. A pilot needs focus and courage.
Focus and courage. That makes sense.
A pilot also needs to stay calm in difficult situations.
And a pilot needs good health. Flying a plane is not easy.
Yes. And pilots need teamwork skills. They work with co-pilots and crew.
So both jobs need special skills. Some jobs need patience, some need courage, and some need both.
Exactly. Skills are important, but we can learn skills with practice.
Yes, everyone can improve skills. Hard work and practice make dreams possible. Let's talk about challenges. Every dream job has challenges.
Yes. For example, teaching can be hard. Some students do not listen.
Yes, sometimes students are lazy. Sometimes parents are worried.
But teachers must stay patient. They must keep trying.
Exactly. Teaching is hard, but helping students is very rewarding.
Yes. Now, pilots have challenges too. Long flights can be tiring.
And pilots must focus all the time. A small mistake can be dangerous.
Yes. And pilots also work far from home. They miss family sometimes.
That is true. Every job has difficulties, but the key is to love what you do.
Yes, if you love your dream job, challenges are easier to face.
Now, let's give advice to our listeners.
Yes. First, follow your heart. Find what you really love.
Second, work hard. Dreams need effort.
Third, learn new skills. Skills make you ready for your dream job.
Fourth, stay patient. Sometimes dreams take time.
Fifth, never give up. Keep trying even if it is hard.
Yes, and remember, your dream job can make you happy and confident.
Yes, and it can help other people too. Teaching and flying are jobs that help others.
Exactly. Jobs are not only for money. Jobs are for happiness and purpose. Tom, let's ask fun questions.
Yes, I like fun questions.
If you could have any dream job in the world, what would it be?
Maybe an astronaut. I want to go to space.
Wow, that is amazing. Flying in space is a big dream.
Yes, and what about you, Mary?
Maybe a chef. I love cooking and making people happy with food.
That is nice. I like food too.
Dream jobs can be surprising. You can have many dreams in life.
Yes, and it is okay to change dreams.
Exactly. Life is about learning and trying new things. Let's share real-life examples of people with dream jobs.
Yes, my cousin is a pilot. He started as a student in aviation school.
That is inspiring. He followed his dream and worked hard.
Yes, and my friend became a teacher. She started teaching children in a small school.
And now she is very happy. She loves her students.
Exactly. Real-life examples show that dreams are possible.
Yes, we can learn from others and keep trying.
And remember, it is never too late to follow a dream.
Yes, age or situation should not stop you. If you have passion, you can do it. Thank you, everyone, for listening. We hope you enjoyed our talk about dream jobs.
Yes, remember, everyone has a dream. Follow your dream.
Dream jobs make life happy and meaningful.
Yes, work hard, learn skills, and stay patient.
And don't forget to enjoy the journey. Dream jobs are fun to chase.
Yes, keep dreaming, keep trying, and never give up.
Thank you all for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you so much. You are all great. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel Podcast English Talk.
Bye, everyone. Keep following your dreams.
See you next time.